Hi everyone, welcome to the Freshfield Fitness YouTube channel, here with a 15-minute Tai Chi for seniors workout that's low impact and gentle, easy on your joints, easy to follow, going to help retain that strength in your full body. Starting feet hip width apart, inhale as we bring the arms up the front and exhale as we take them out down to the sides. We're breathing in and breathing out, sinking the body weight into that horse stance. Lift up through the crown, keeping the posture nice and tall, and feel that flow of the circular movement, like we are moving our energy around. Clear the mind and focus on those moving palms, connecting our mind and body. Let's reverse the direction of those circles, breathing in as the arms come out to the sides and breathing out as the hands come down the center of the body. Let's hold it here for a little challenge for our strength, keeping the breathing calm and release and relax. Let's take the feet a little bit wider and repeat all that. Breathing in as the arms rise, breathing out. And remember, we're visualizing like we are moving those hands through water, adding a natural resistance to the movement and sinking down into a deeper horse stance. Reversing that action again. Circle the arms around and sink it into that deeper horse stance. Again, let's hold it here to challenge that leg strength. Next, position both hands one on top of the other with the palms facing to the side wall. We're transferring the weight to side bow and pushing towards the side, turning the waist to power that push, following the hands, and again focusing the mind on the body and visualizing like we are pushing something heavy out of the way. This time we're going to add on to this movement by transferring the weight all the way across, circling the hand to a heel and a punch. Let's repeat that. So pushing to the side, transfer the weight all the way onto that side foot and tap in, circle the arm and push and heel to the corner. Bringing ourselves to face the corner, we're stepping forwards and releasing that back heel so we can bend our knees to the floor, lifting up and opening out as we rock back the weight. I'm going to progress this movement, making it bigger, lifting the arms higher and opening wide, sinking down a little bit further, so just making the whole movement bigger and larger. Let's turn to face the opposite corner, and again releasing that back heel so that we can bend towards the floor and keeping it small for the first 4 repetitions and then increasing to a bigger movement. Stepping your feet out to a wider stance, we're going to do some repulse the monkey. So lifting the arms up to shoulder height, palms facing up, turning the waist, back hand to the ear and push forwards, drawing the other hand to the waist. Focus the mind on the energy flow to that pushing hand, and the push is powered by the turn of the waist. Sticking with the same arm movement, we're going to transfer the weight and step out to our bow stance to the corner. Again, powering that push forwards with that turn of the waist, and now the transfer of weight to our bow stance. And let's repeat that on the other side. Next, a good one for our shoulder mobility, so do remember to keep it well within your comfort zone. Great wheel turns. We're going to alternate this circular movement all the way around, one direction and then the other. Keeping with the same arm movement, we're going to add some footwork, stepping in, stepping out, transferring to side bow, stepping in, stepping out, transferring to side bow. Let's bring ourselves back to a wide stance in the middle, and we're going to sink into our starting position of a horse stance. Transferring the weight all the way around from side bow, horse stance, side bow. We are gathering wood and then we're going to throw it away. We're bringing 2 fingers all the way up that side, stretch across the body, and then release and relax down into our horse stance. So gathering the wood by transferring the weight and scooping those arms around, throw it away. Bring the 2 fingers and add that side stretch, bringing those fingers up that side and then releasing that stretch and sinking down into our horse stance. Let's repeat that again. Staying here for our balancing the chi, breathing in as the arms rise, breathing out and sinking into our horse stance. Stepping the feet in to hip width apart parallel stance. Let's add our hands hold 2 feet. The hands go down the backs of the legs into that forwards bend, keeping it into a comfortable position, lifting up high, breathing in at the top and breathing out, relaxing down. Let me show you from the corner, and again, do remember to listen to your own body, keep the movement within your comfort zone, just bending to wherever feels safe and comfortable for you. Let's keep it here, balancing the chi. Just focus the mind on those moving hands, on your rhythmic, slow breathing. Feel the lungs and chest expand as we breathe in and breathing out, feeling relaxed. And finally going back and repeating the very first circles around, again just feeling nice and relaxed. Changing direction. Bringing it up to pressing palms at the top, feet together, bringing the hands to the heart. Thanks so much for joining me again for this Tai Chi for Seniors session. I hope you've enjoyed it. Remember to subscribe if you have, it really helps support the channel. And I hope to see you again following some more here with me. Thanks again and have a beautiful day. Bye.